Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Theta TV as well. All right, in today's video, I have a pretty huge update. Theta has been crushing it. I know I've been saying this in my past videos, but their Theta ecosystem 2022, I swear every single day there has been some sort of update, new partner, or news article. And this one has to do with the Theta Edge storage. It is here. And if we check out their roadmap, Theta's roadmap, if we look at 2022 Q1, we can just check the boxes here. T-Drop token release has been accomplished. T-Drop decentralized governance launch, that'll happen here momentarily. The cross-chain bridge for ETH to DEX, NFT, and dApps. I think that one is coming soon with Curate. And then the beta decentralized storage on Elite Edge nodes for NFTs. That one is right around the corner, as we can see from this article. Theta EdgeStore revealed in alpha preview release. All right, I'll dig directly into this. We are pleased to announce the release of the alpha preview version of the Theta EdgeStore. So the EdgeStore network aims to be an app-end only, content addressing, decentralized storage network for the permanent web. It's a lot of words, but we'll dig into exactly what all that means here, and I think everyone will absolutely love what is coming in the future. So the EdgeStore implements a unique technique called flexible sharding, which can be viewed as a probabilistic extension of the core protocol for distributed hash tables. An EdgeStore node not only stores the permanent data shards assigned to it, but it also caches popular contents locally. Therefore, in addition to providing storage capability, the network also acts as a decentralized content delivery network for any type of files. So that is a lot of words, a lot of technical jargon, and we'll dig into with these bullet points right here exactly what that means for you and me. So if we check out the first bullet point, it is permanent storage for the digital assets of NFTs, images and videos, etc. And that is straight from Theta Drop. So all of these NFTs on the Theta Drop website will soon be stored on all of our Edge nodes and Elite Edge nodes. And we can check out a previous Medium article about the T-Drop token, and this one breaks it down and kind of talks even more specifically about that. So in this last sentence here, it says, once decentralized NFT storage is implemented, Theta NFTs will be hosted on Elite Edge nodes, allowing node operators to earn 1% of any TFUEL sales of NFTs they are storing. So like I said, if you're storing a very high valued NFT in your Elite Edge node, then we are going to start receiving about 1% of, that sale value in TFUEL. So the Secret Pineapple Society, those would be money for the future. Hopefully we can store a bunch of those. So that's the first thing that's going to happen for that first bullet point. The next one is data availability service for layer 2 scaling solutions such as rollups. And I think that is actually pretty huge as well, because that is one way that we ensure that the layer 1, the Theta blockchain, does not reach its capacity. And that is a problem that is going on with Ethereum, even though these are night and day different blockchains. One is proof of work and one is proof of stake, but I'll break down exactly a little bit of what sharding is. And if we check out this paragraph from the link that they did provide, sharding is a process of splitting a database horizontally to spread the load. And in Ethereum context, sharding will reduce network congestion and increase transactions per second by creating new chains or shards. So essentially, all of the data won't be in one blockchain. They'll kind of split up the data. I imagine a couple of the different nodes will get different shards of data, and of course there'll be some redundancy there, but that is something to alleviate some of the congestion that will happen. So I think that is a huge thing to happen in the future for the Theta blockchain. There's also going to be that decentralized content delivery network, which is also really, really huge. So it's for video, music, game patches, software updates, etc. And if we check that out, I think Theta has a pretty good depiction right here. And this is part of the problem, as they call it, but this is a centralized content delivery network. And all of those things that we just previously mentioned, the music, the video, the game patches, all of that is going to be hosted and spread from the decentralized CDN to all of the viewers or all of the recipients of those data pieces. And I think that will be pretty awesome. So I think our elite edge nodes and edge nodes are going to be working pretty hard here soon, and hopefully that means more TFUEL for all of us edge nodes and elite edge node operators, which is really good to see. There's also going to be a storage backend for general Web3 dApps, blogging sites, chat apps, decentralized app stores, decentralized GitHub repositories, etc. And that is also really good to see. Kind of like Filecoin, it's decentralized storage or storage. Also another decentralized storage product out there. So I think our elite edge nodes and edge nodes, although they're not directly competitors, I think they're slowly going to start turning into competitors. The next thing that they have listed here is storage for Metaverse digital assets. So 3D models of characters and buildings in the virtual reality worlds. Once again, that is another huge piece. So like guys, this piece of news was actually a lot larger than it looks from just the Medium article. And if we check out one of their previous Medium articles, Theta Network, an essential infrastructure for Metaverse development, there's a lot into this article, but one of the things that they highlighted that they were doing in the past is rendering VR worlds in real time, and that is all what Theta was built for. The Theta Video API, wrapping that into the decentralized world, and then decentralized video distribution, of course, as well as video-based NFTs. But now they're wrapping even more into their products for the metaverse and digital assets. And the last thing that they brought up here is storage for training data sets for AI algorithms, such as autonomous driving. That is huge, and I'll probably hit on that in another video, but as well as protein folding. So one thing that we can look at is once again another previous video that I've made and a previous Medium article. But as we know, if you have an edge node, one thing, if you have it on, it'll do 24/7 is fight the good fight against the COVID-19 variant, and it is running the folding at home 24/7. And this is really good technology. They're using their edge nodes. I'll actually just read it here from the Medium article. So Theta started thinking about extending its patent decentralized video and data delivery blockchain technology to edge computing earlier this year. So they're taking all of the edge nodes and using it as a supercomputer, which is actually really smart. Since bandwidth sharing utilizes minimal CPU and GPU resources, it means that edge nodes could also perform compute-intensive tasks, such as determining which drug designs could be effective against COVID-19 antivirals. So that is something that they could continue using. So not only just making all the edge nodes basically a supercomputer, but they could also store that data for training sets in the future. So that is something that they're also using. So for the alpha preview section, the EdgeStore is released in a standalone binary, and then there's more for developers here. They release some pretty awesome guides. If you go to docs.thetatoken.org, you can read and participate in all of the demos that they do provide. They provide 4 demos down there if you would like to give them a shot. So I won't go into all this technical stuff, but there are video tutorials as well. And if you want me to try and break down some of this technical stuff, I am not the most technical savvy guy, but I have found my way around all of this blockchain technology because everything is open source and it's actually not as hard as it does look. So let me know if you do want me to make some videos about this stuff. I can try and share it with you if it is somewhat entertaining to watch and learn. But outside of that, guys, this is actually a pretty huge Medium article and release. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Once again, it's the Theta EdgeStore revealed in the alpha preview, and here are the main bullet points that we went over. If you guys have any thoughts, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.